Alright guys, this is going to be another system test here at FireAlarm9200’s house.
Right.
I'm joined by FireAlarm9200, Jack Williamson 54, and Simplex 4008.
That's right.
Alright, so we have the
Shut up!
BG12LX, my Edwards Enhanced Integrity that is
Why is it
fixed
not
110
Why
candela.
is it not groaning right now?
It doesn't like you, that's why.
Cat 78 still there. There's the classic BG10 by Johnson Controls, and Cerberus Pyrotronics horn strobe.
System on continuous still?
I think so, yeah.
Oh, good God.
Silent Night, and we have the ZRS up there. If you have epilepsy, do not watch this.
I told
And
you can pull it to get it started.
Is the switch on?
oh yes, let me. Okay, now we're good. So I guess I'll go ahead and pull the BG12LX first. So here we go. Ooh, that was loud.
Ow!
And it was moaning and groaning. You need to do some of that. Jack, I don't know if it's a bad thing, but should that integrity be moaning and groaning?
Yes. I'm so used to this, I swear. My ears are used to this, so it's fine.
Yeah.
It just hurts a little bit.
So
Yeah.
that
Activate.
BG10 over there is on the output side of this monitor
Did that
module.
distort the mic bend?
Actually, no.
Yeah, I think. Oh, rip.
And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.